Hey guys, it's Daniel Funke from the International Fact-Checking Network at Poynter. On today's episode of CheckIt, we're talking about how to make fact checks into gifs and why everybody should be trying to incorporate these into their workflow. So in 2016, CheckIt, an Argentinian fact-checking organization, started to use gifs to expand its audience. To do that, it partnered with the website Uno to make one fact check a week into a gif. Here's more from Editorial Innovation Director Pablo Martin Fernandez.
You get to a lot of people in social media that maybe are not going to click and go to the complete article. So what we thought is what we could do to to augment the experience that people have in social media with us, and not only having the headline and the ratings, but also having a brief explanation about why we choose that rating. And that's where gifs enter this environment, because it's really easy to create a piece and make it shareable.
Why should fact checkers use gifs? Turns out adding a little humor to your news coverage really helps your audience. That's all for now. You can try using gifs in your own newsroom using Uno or another service like Giphy. Tune in next month for another 2-minute tutorial to help make you a better fact checker. Until next time, I'm Daniel Funke.